tech enthusiasts, today I'm diving into how AI is revolutionizing stock trading. AI's presence in the stock market has grown leaps and bounds, and its long-term implications could change the game forever. Traditional investors face big challenges with AI tech. It demands tons of data and computational power. Enter algorithmic trading, super fast, super complex. But it can cause market volatility, making it tough to keep up and leading to missed opportunities or unexpected losses. AI tech like machine learning and predictive analytics is now a staple in trading strategies and stock analysis. These algorithms sift through massive data sets, spotting patterns and trends human eyes might miss. Predictive analytics give detailed forecasts, helping investors make informed decisions. Both individuals and large institutions use these tools, reshaping how we trade and invest. As AI advances, we'll see even more sophisticated strategies emerge. Investors need to stay updated to stay competitive. AI-driven trading reacts swiftly to market changes, mitigating losses from sudden fluctuations. Plus, AI can spot and prevent fraud like insider trading by analyzing suspicious behavior patterns. AI's transformative potential is clear. It can make trading more efficient and fair. With AI, everyone gets the same data and analysis, leveling the playing field. This could diminish the advantage of large institutions, fostering a transparent market. So, the takeaway here, AI is set to revolutionize stock trading, making it more efficient and fair. Investors who adapt will thrive. Drop your thoughts on AI and the stock market in the comments below. And check out my related video on investment strategies for more tips on maximizing your investments. Catch you next time.